Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arif Hazim bin Tajuddin. Number matrix AA190125. And my friend Luqman Hazim bin Yusri AA190631. We will present about Lab 1 Introduction to Mechanical Control Devices in Industrial Electronic. Okay, let's go to the lab activity 1. Task number 1A. Okay, as you can see, and we refer to the circuit. When the power supply connected, the bulb is turned off. When the push button PB is clicked, relay contact R1 will energize. It will close and complete the circuit. The bulb will turn on. Now task 1B. When the power supply connected, the bulb in rung 2 is turned off and the bulb in rung 3 is turned on. When push button PB is clicked, relay contact R1 in rung 2 will energize. It will close and turn on the bulb in rung 2. Relay contact R1 in rung 3 will energize. It will open and turn off the bulb in rung 3. Okay, now for the observation. First question is, discuss the difference between the push button in task 1A and task 1B. The difference between push button in task 1A and task 1B is, in task 1A, before the push button being clicked, the bulb is turned off. But in task 1B, before the push button being clicked, the bulb in rung 2 is turned off while bulb in rung 3 is turned on. Other than that, in task 1A, when push button clicked, the bulb turned on. But in task 1B, when the push button clicked, the bulb in rung 2 is turned on while bulb in rung 3 turned off. The next question is, discuss the difference between two relay contact used in task 1B. The difference between two relay contact used in task 1B are, in rung 2, it was normally open relay. Normally open relay default in the open position, meaning that when they are not in use, there is no contact between the circuits. While in rung 3, it was normally closed relay. Normally closed relays default in the closed position, meaning that the circuit is closed unless otherwise specified.
Okay, for question for task 1, first question number 1, state the type of relay used in the relay module. There are three types of relay, which is electromechanical relay, single pole and single throw. The next one is solid state relay, double pole, double throw, and the last one is reed relay, double pole, double throw. Question number 2 is state the number of relay in the relay module. There are three types of relay in the relay module. For task 2A, when power supply is connected, the bulb will turn off. When the push button PB is clicked, relay contact R1 energized. The timer will start counting for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, T1 in rung 3 will close and the bulb will turn on. For task 2B, when power supply is connected, the bulb will turn off. When the push button PB is clicked, relay contact R1 energized. The timer is set to 1 second. The bulb will turn off after 1 second, and when the timer is set to 5 seconds, the bulb will turn off after 5 seconds. The observation for task 2 is, number 1, find out the minimum and maximum time setting of the timer. The minimum setting is 1 second and the maximum setting is 5 seconds. Number 2, the difference between timer operation in 2A and 2B. Timer in 2A is on delay timer and timer is in 2B is off delay timer. On delay timer works when timer is turning on and the timer will be triggered. Off delay timer works when output bits turn off after time has passed.
Okay, now for lab activity 2 question. First question is state the timing function for the timer in task 2A and task 2B. The function for the timer in task 2A is on delay, while in task 2B is off delay. The next question is, if the timer connection is modified as per below, describe the operation of the circuit. Okay, as we refer at the experiment and the circuit, when the power supply connected, the bulb turn on. And when push button PB click, the relay contact R1 will energize and close. In 5 seconds after that, the bulb will turn off. When the power supply connected, the bulb is turned off and the counter stated 0. When push button PB1 click, relay contact R1 will energize, the counter will turn to 1. Click push button PB1 until counter stated 5. C1 will energize and bulb turn on. If counter stated a value large than 5, it will state OP in the screen. Click push button 2 PB2 to reset the counter. In the observation, the question asks, explain PB1 and PB2 function in the circuit. PB1 function as a counter starter button, while PB2 as a reset button.
Question for task 3. If the counter connection is modified as per below, describe the operation of the circuit. When the power supply is connected, the bulb is turned on and the counter state 0. When push button 1, PB1 click, relay contact R1 will energize and counter will state 1. Click push button 1 PB1 until the counter stated 5. The C1 in rung 3 will energize and the bulb will turn off. To reset the counter, click push button PB2.